Good morning and welcome to my bike check for Traka 360 this year in 2026. This upcoming Friday, it's Monday right now, I'll be participating in the Traka 360 on the 1st of May in Girona, and this is the bike I'll be taking with me. It's a Cinelli Speciale gravel. Just got this frame set a couple of months ago, put on around 1500 kilometers on it right now, and it's impressed me quite a lot. The frame is steel, fork is also made by Columbus and is carbon. Frame is made out of Columbus Spirit steel. Got some self-made wheel set on this. Rims are by Carbonol, come directly from China. They have 49 millimeter heights, 40 millimeter width and 32 millimeter internal, so quite chunky. I put some Continental Race Kings on it. The Race Kings blow up to a ginormous 58 millimeters wide on this, which in this frame in the front easily fits. In the back also room to spare, but it's a bit tighter, still like 4 millimeters. Put a SRAM Force grip set on it. So far been pretty good, very reliable, rarely misses a beat. I like the function with the buttons on it, so you can control the head units. We do have a light from Cinelli on it. It's connected to a power bank that I have in here. Turn this on. Power bank is on. We have two light functions. We have big, we have small, and also blinking. So normal, big. It's about 750 lumens. Should be plenty. I know that other people are bringing even bigger lights with them, but I don't know what you wanna, like light up and see. Maybe like the next town, but that might be a bit too much. Let me see, carbon seat post, some carbon crankset. I got the alligator chain set on of the chain ring on it, which is nice, but I had one before and it's always creaking for some reason, so I'm gonna clean it up again. Especially with gravel use, it just starts to develop weird sounds. Other than that, the bike has been fantastic. It's quick, weighs around 9.5 kilos in this setup, which is, well, it's not light, but for a steel frame and for the right quality that you get back for it, it's definitely a light bike. I think probably with all the other stuff and gubbins on it right now, it's probably around 10 kilograms. It's a quick one. You can annoy your roadie friends with it quite a lot. It's quite quick on the off-road stuff as well. So yeah, there we go. Hope you enjoyed.